Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create AWS IoT policy. So let's move forward and see how to do it. Go to all services or you can just search IoT Core. So now we are going to create, scroll down here, go to security, policies. Now you can see here a orange button, create policy. Policy name you can put testing 1 or you can put ESP32 policy 1, any name you can put. Now instead of builder we will use JSON and set all. This one I will give it to you in the YouTube video description, so you can just copy and paste when you create this policy. Now click on create. So you can see our AWS IoT policy has been created. So let thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video I will try to explore all these services one by one. Thank you.